back to Sparkle Workshop. It's me, Aubrey. I hope you guys are staying safe. And today we're going to be making a glitter jar, and a glitter jar can be used for decorations. What you're gonna need for the glitter jar is a jar, some warm water, some glow-in-the-dark glue or glitter glue, any color of glitter, and some food coloring. This is a 24-ounce jar, and I'm going to be using the whole bottle of glue, but the amount of glue you use will depend on the size of the jar. So let's get started. So first I'm going to add some water into and then I'm going to add some glue. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the glitter in. Okay, so then I'm gonna add some drops of yellow food coloring. Okay, so now I'm going to stir it. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the rest of the water in. So we need to fill the jar up with water all the way to the top. And I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna put the lid on. And here's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna shake it. You can get an adult to help you, and this is what it will look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also comment down below if you have any recipes or crafts you want me to, if you want to see on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and don't forget to like. Bye! Some warm water. I'm sorry. And any So what you're gonna need for the glitter jar is some So what you're gonna need for the glitter your voice. So first I'm gonna add some water into the jar, like a little bit. Oh. Start over. Hey guys, welcome back to Sparkle Workshop. It's me, Aubrey. I hope you guys are staying safe, and today we're gonna be making a